आपको मिलवाती हूँ हमारे आज के गेस्ट से। He is one of the lead actors of Hum TV's upcoming drama serial Tana Bana. He is an actor, singer, music composer and music director. और उन्होंने अपनी एक्टिंग करियर का डेब्यू 2014 में किया इन द शॉर्ट फिल्म टाइम मशीन, और बहुत जल्द वो नजर आने वाले हैं इन द वेब सीरीज 12वां खिलाड़ी। जी हाँ, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अली जफर's younger brother दानियाल जफर। So let's give him a warm welcome into our show. Hello दानियाल, कैसे हैं आप? Welcome to the show.
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. So let's begin. दानियाल, सबसे पहले हमें बताएं about your upcoming drama serial Tana Bana. What is it all about?
So it's a very light, nice. I wouldn't say rom-com, but it's this very sweet and light dynamic between this one guy and his family, and how the dynamics change once he gets married. He's a boy who who really believes in stars. वो जो तारों पे यकीन रखने वाले नहीं होते कि मेरे को रिश्ता आ रहा है तो ये लड़की, इसकी डेट ऑफ बर्थ क्या है, इसका स्टार साइन क्या है, और मेरे हॉरोस्कोप में ये लिखा है, वो लिखा है. So everything starts going basically against जो उसने जिस तरह सोचा होता है कि मेरे लिए जो होगा, और जो उसने पढ़ा होता है कि लिखा मेरे सितारों में क्या लिखा हुआ है. So it's just about how things start to change, and then his relationship उसकी with his family, घर वालों के साथ क्या तब्दीली आती है, और थोड़े बहुत मसाइल. But it's very काफी एक लाइट भी है. There's also a very good, nice comedic aspect to it through various other characters जो घर पे basically सारे रहते हैं जी. लेकिन basically यही है कि आपस की फैमिली की जो सारी एक इक्वेशन होती है वो किस तरह एकदम तब्दील हो जाती है, बदल जाती है, और like you have these internal issues, एंड वो सारे किस तरह फेस करते करते कई चीजें मैं रियलाइज करता हूँ, कई चीजें अगले करते हैं. तो बस इस तरह एक जर्नी है छोटी सी.
और जैसे कि हम सबको पता है कि दिस इज योर फर्स्ट ड्रामा सीरियल, तो हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस?
इट्स रियली गुड. आई हैव बीन ब्लेस्ड. मतलब मुझे मौका मिल रहा है टू वर्क विद वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट डायरेक्टर्स जो सीरियल के हैं, सैफी भाई, एंड इट्स अ ह्यूज ऑनर टू वर्क विद हिम. And then I'm also working with some other very great actors जो मेरी माँ बनी हुई हैं, जो बाप बने हुए हैं, दादी बनी हुई हैं, जो मेरे मामू हैं, ममानी हैं, and then Aliza is in it as well. So I mean मेरे लिए तो बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है, क्योंकि सीखने को भी इतना कुछ मिल रहा है साथ साथ. और प्लस a director as great as सैफी भाई, उनके साथ भी हर एक सीन की जो डायसेक्शन होती है, और आपस में हम लोग जब डिस्कशंस करते हैं कि किस तरह ये हो सकता है, क्या हो सकता है, he's very great and open to work with, और हम काफी डेप्थ में मतलब एक्सप्लोर कर रहे होते हैं कि किस तरह क्या चीजें हो सकती हैं. So the experience माशाल्लाह is great. I couldn't have asked for a better first drama serial.
And like you said कि Aliza आपके साथ स्क्रीन शेयर कर रही है, so how was that experience with her? How was the chemistry between you guys?
It's great. I mean, पहले दिन मैं सेट पे गया था तो मैंने उसको डराना शुरू कर दिया था. So I started teasing her a lot, started pulling off a lot of pranks on her. तो थोड़ी कैरेक्टर्स की भी ऐसी ही मजे की इक्वेशन है दोनों के आपस में. They were very witty and very like बस तीलियां लगाते रहते हैं एक दूसरे को. So that's what I started doing with her as well. So I was scaring her, then I posted a video of me doing that as well. So it's very nice. She's a great human being, and she's super sweet. Or it's nice, and I feel that the chemistry that you have off screen also reflects on screen. And so वो जितने dynamics बन गए set पे डरा के, और इस तरह pulling off pranks and having fun and a lot of that stuff, so that it kind of it brought the characters closer together in a way कि वो screen पे बहुत अच्छा reflect भी होगा. So it was good, really good experience.
बिल्कुल. और आपके character के बारे में हमें कुछ बताएं, and tell us how different और मुश्किल कितना था ये role perform करना आपके लिए?
असल में मुश्किल मेरे लिए ज़्यादा ये था कि जो proper उर्दू बोलनी पड़ती है ना, जो गुफ्तगू आपकी होती है शुद्ध ज़बान में, क्योंकि मैं पंजाबी लड़का हूँ तो मेरी ज़रा काफ़ी पंजाबियत निकल के आ जाती है. कई चीज़ें जो मैं बोलता हूँ, और हमारे लिंगोज होते हैं, हमारे कुछ अपना वजन होता है बातें करने का जी. तो वो I think putting that aside was for me the biggest challenge, क्योंकि इससे बिल्कुल पहले अभी जब मैंने एक और वेब सीरीज कर रहा था जो 12वां खिलाड़ी थी, उसके अंदर मेरा कैरेक्टर जो था वो पंजाबी का था, पंजाबी बॉय, ब्रून में रहने वाला. तो जिस दिन वो रैप हुआ था उसके अगले दिन आई फ्लू टू कराची फॉर दिस, और the next morning was the shoot for this. तो उसमें से बाहर निकलना, जहाँ पे मतलब अब जैसे ये भी मैंने बोला ना, उसमें से बाहर निकलना, वो तो उसमें से बाहर निकलना और फिर आगे ये वो सारा, so it's like a huge, you know, कि कई पहले कुछ दिन थे जहाँ पे जो जवेरिया बासी was playing my mom, is a fantastic actor. वो मुझे कहती थी बीच में हम सीन्स कर रहे थे तो मुझे कहती थी पंजाबी, थोड़ी सी पंजाबी नीचे, थोड़ी सी नीचे. तो या तो वो था, बट अदरवाइज आई थिंक मजे का कैरेक्टर है. मेरी जो एक्चुअल एज है उससे एज में थोड़ा बड़ा है.
अच्छा.
और लड़का जो है वो जॉब करता है, जो कि मैंने जिंदगी में फैसला कर लिया था मैं कभी नहीं करूंगा. आई विल नेवर सेटल फॉर 9 to 5. लेकिन ये लड़का है जो 9 to 5 चला रहा है और बस एक नॉर्मल जिंदगी है वो जी रहा है, और बस उसका फुल मूड है कि बस शादी करके मैं बैठ जाऊं, जबकि जिंदगी में मेरा मूड बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. So a lot of things I had to go against, you know, of who I am. तो ऐसी एक situation basically है.
बिल्कुल. And what inspired you to be an actor?
I feel when, because I'm a musician, I always consider myself as a musician primarily. हो सकता है अब वो बदल जाए, लेकिन ऐसे होता है आप जब म्यूजिशियन होते हो, आप जब गाने बजाते हो, गाते हो, so you're expressing a part of yourself. तो acting, obviously if you're an artist you know that acting does that as well. So eventually when I'd watch movies, through movies मैं काफी I'd feel a lot being expressed. Even if I'd watch a movie, मुझे feel होता था जैसे मैं गाना सुन रहा हूँ.
बिल्कुल.
So what I would feel while watching a movie is very similar to what I feel while listening to a song. And then through that, I was like, yeah, this feeling that I'm getting because of the acting of this person, yeah, जो उन्होंने ये scene किया है, and the way they moved me in this scene, I want to do that to someone else, you know, to other people who can watch me and I'm able to move them and help them experience these emotions and you know, like have that kind of a relationship, you know, like you're on screen, you're playing this character and that character has the ability and the power to move others itna zyada. So that was fascinating for me. That's why I wanted, plus I'm a very expressive person, so I thought it could be something that I'm good at as well. So
जी. And Danial, as you know कि अब आपने शुरू कर लिया अपना, you've made a place of yourself in this industry, of the acting industry. So do you plan on working on other projects as well?
Yeah. Right now I'm writing a couple of things for myself. So there are ideas that me and my friends had been working on and had been thinking of since like, I think 2 years now. But we never got to like the writing phase or never got pushed to write because एक factor बार बार आ जाता था कि the ideas we would get were so different from what the mainstream media and people were consuming in Pakistan that we felt that it's not, you know, it's not going to get even budgeting or even any production house to come and take over. But now seeing that kitne zyada, I mean, call it post-COVID or whatever situation, but everything's gone digital. And because of that digital space being given so much power, आपका एक shift आया industry में जहाँ पे a lot of independent writers and filmmakers are coming up and they're writing these really different, unique stories and series and short films and all of that stuff. So I feel that really empowered me and my friends to eventually get back on the writing table and start writing, for which I have to go after this meeting as well. So I'm writing stuff for myself, and hopefully that's what I want to get at. But let's see. It really depends on what characters I do get offered, because I want to go more for roles that are very character oriented, you know.
Well, I wish you the best of luck for your writing project.
Thank you.
So Danial, about your character, क्या आप खुद को अपने इस कैरेक्टर से रिलेट कर पाते हैं या आपको लगता है कि व्यूअर्स अपने आप को भी इस कैरेक्टर से रिलेट कर पाएंगे?
मेरी जो खुद की एबिलिटी वो सिर्फ एक सेंस में थी, वो थी बल्कि दो. एक ये थी कि my equation with my mother, which is मैं जवेरिया मैम को भी ये बता रहा था कि it's exactly the way I am with my mother in real life as well. वो हम दोनों की जो बचपन से जिस तरह की मैंने डांट खाई हुई है उनसे, जिस तरह की हमारी बहसें हुई हुई हैं और अम्मी के जो मेरे जवाब भी आते हैं, तो at times it would, and she has played it so well, like her character and her everything, के वो जब भी मुझे कुछ कहती थी ना तो सीन के बाद हमेशा I'd be like my mom says it exactly the same way. अरे बैठ जाओ ये वो मैं तुम्हें कह दिया ना blah blah so it was a lot of fun. तो वो एक relatability बहुत थी because I was a spoiled brat when I was a kid. बहुत डांट खाई हुई है मैंने. And the other factor was कि जो लड़का है इसमें वो बेसिकली काफी एक दिल फेंक इमोशनल सेंसिटिव प्यार करने वाला बॉय है
जी
जो कि अनफॉर्चुनेटली या फॉर्चुनेटली मैं भी हूँ फिलहाल एक्सपीरियंसेस इतने अच्छे नहीं जा रहे लेकिन that's the other thing that I related with as well so yeah.
एंड दानियाल शोबिज में आने का फैसला प्योरली आपका था या इसमें आपकी फैमिली का भी इन्फ्लुएंस था?
No, my family alhamdulillah has been very supportive of everything, every decision that I've ever made in my life. Personal, professional, all of that. I could not have asked for a better family because obviously the decisions I took were my own. At every single point, they were there to guide me, help me, like be there for me as the perfect support system. And especially my brother because he's in the same field as well. So, there's a lot, there's like someone that I'm looking up to and, he's letting me know everything, like the way things are and all of that. So, my शुरू जब मैंने किया था तब मेरा बिल्कुल इरादा नहीं था कि I'd come towards this side. It happened very gradually when I started being very comfortable with how I was as an artist, as a musician. And पहले मैं बहुत एक closed artist था who maybe never wanted his music to be heard and would just perform in front of like a very close group of friends and be like, hey, this is what I've written, check it out, Then eventually like my brother empowered me, he was like, dude, the stuff that you have is very different and you're different from me and I feel like you should be heard. And then my parents as well eventually when they started listening. So yeah, it was, it was all around, everyone was in it together.
तो as we know, Ali Zafar is your elder brother. तो क्या उनके नाम से आपको इस इंडस्ट्री में आने में कोई हेल्प मिली?
Yes, my brother did open a lot of doors for me. He did help me in all the ways he could have because he's my brother. If I have a kid in the future and they are like, we want to be in this as well, of course I'm going to do whatever I can to help them. But here's the thing. My brother only could open the door for me. I had to step in and I had to be the one, to take the mic and prove myself, to take the floor and prove myself. And the people, the audience who heard me, saw me, they're the only ones who can give me enough power for me to survive in this industry. So if I'm here and I'm releasing songs and I'm inspired to make music every single day, I'm inspired to act every single day when I wake up, it's because I have people who see something in me. So yes, he did help me, but it's nothing that's it shouldn't be something that's ke ye to hota hai fir ye wo ye to aise hota hai waise hota hai. No, I'm proud of the fact that he's my brother and everything that he's helped me with and through, and that I did have it easy because of him and his struggles that he went through. Just like if my kid wants to get into this, he'd have it easy or she would have it easier than I have had it. So, that's just how it is.
That was very well put, Danial. So, Danial, what was your favorite part about the drama serial Tana Bana that you enjoyed performing the most?
Yeah, abhi tak, there's these two scenes that I did. One was with my mamu, and that was because we have these very like light comedic scenes and उनके साथ मैं scene से पहले जाके ना we'd like have this discussion कि what if we do it like this. So there's one scene that we did that had like there was a lot of margin for like having that comedic timing and that entire thing happened. So me, him, and Saifi bhai, we sat down and we were like, what if we do it like this and this and this? And he was like, yeah. And then we did it and it was just so good. We just kept laughing and kept enjoying. So I think that was very good. And then I recently, just like 2 days back, I was shooting this one scene with Alize. Where basically the first date and I go and meet her and all that stuff and I'm trying to impress her and get her to say yes and all and usme like it's very that was a good scene the way it was put and written and just the timing thing and all that stuff. So yeah, फिलहाल तो भी है but let's see.
और दानियाल देखा जाता है कि जब घर में दो लोग सेम फील्ड के होते हैं तो नॉर्मली उनके बीच में कंपैरिजन होता है. People compare them. So are you ready for this comparison?
I don't need to be ready for any comparison. Why would I need to be ready for any comparison? There's no need for me to be ready for any comparison. People are going to do that because obviously, when there's a big name, that's you can't control it, but that name is going to be attached to you for the general public, right? वो चीज सिर्फ तब control हो सकती है when down the line I have put out a lot of this huge amount of work that I have that eventually lets people look at me as lets people अंग्रेजी मेरा खराब कर दिया सर that lets people have like this my I'm able to like put my own image in front of people in a different light, so they detach me from having like this entire household name that's with me and see me as from myself
as a known person.
वो जब होगा तो उस पे खुद ही सब कुछ that's what I'm looking forward to, जो कि म्यूजिक से काफी हद तक होना शुरू हो गया where people do recognize me as me being different, and because I'm so different with what I have to put out there, people don't compare because it's like, dude, no, what he's offering is something completely different.
Exactly.
Yes, if I was doing the same thing as my brother, तो हाँ वहाँ पे comparison आएगा, वो उसका भी मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकता, but it's a creative choice that you take, and it wasn't a conscious choice that I took. यार नहीं मुझे I need to do something that's different. I'm just a different artist. I've grown up to be a very different artist and different from my brother. So I feel कि वो margin ही नहीं होगा for people to like compare me, or if they do तो वो करें, उसका मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. और दानियाल, आखिर में हम चाहेंगे कि आप हमारे viewers को कुछ गुनगुना कर सुनाएं.
Sure. I don't have a guitar with me, but I'll sing a few lines. So there's a song that I came out with during the COVID times. It turned out to be really popular and blew up a lot. चन चढ़िया फिर अजबलिए कोठे उते आसौंड चलिए अद्धी अद्धी रात है कहंदी बरसात तेरे नाल करनी मैं दिल वाली बात चल बलिए उड़ चलिए.
Mashallah, you're very talented, Danial. It was my favorite song, actually.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming into our show today. It was a lovely interview and a lot of fun.
Thank you. Likewise.
Thank you so much again. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, guys. Allah Hafiz.
Allah
Take care.
Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.